Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox my super good one, and there is for Hala delivery. I didn't buy the pen to write my age or my mom name or my name, so I would get the pen, but later I will sign it. So let's go and open it. Open it, and ta-da! Okay, now let's open it. So we got this flower, and we got this burger. I just bought it from Amazon. So that is it, and we are gonna open it. So we're gonna open it, so I will get the scissors. Back. Okay. So now let's open this bad baby. Okay. So there was like a burger like this, and there is a hole here, and also there's egg, there's a bread, because there's an egg and a bread. See? Squishy. Squishy, right? Okay, now let's put it over here in the back. And then let's open this bad girl because it's pink. I hope I didn't cut the flower. Okay. Ta-da! The flower! The flower's cute. And there is dirt in the bottom because it will grow like this. And at the back, oh my god. At the back it looks like this. And now let's sign this. Okay, age 5 or 6. Sorry guys. I hope sorry guys, it just bounced all the way to the mouse. So let's just sign it. Age 6. And mom name is baby. No, babe. No. Then says like that. Baby Jen. Baby Jen. And my name, Hala Tarek. Hala Tarek Al-Bahawi, but there was no space, so I put Hala Tarek. You don't understand, you see, because it's kind of long. So next time I'm gonna order something really good. So next time I will buy more. That is so good for you. And I hope you like this squishy, and I want to know if you like this or this, because this squishy, my friend broke it, so I decided to glue this egg back. It was kind of difficult, so I decided to use tape, and it was sticky enough, so I removed the tape and then put it in there back, and then it sticked. I can't believe my friend did that. Just be careful not to squish the egg, but squish the egg a little bit more strong like this, and then you can squeeze the outside like this. There was something wrong, so they decided to do this because the eggs just ran out. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Just comment down below if the flower is your favorite or the bird is your favorite. Just don't forget if you didn't watch the video. And you have to watch the video until the end if you didn't watch it, because it is right down here. Bye guys.